Let's now know its features. Nokia X200 Ultra 2022. Firstly, Nokia X200 Ultra display a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED with a 2560 by 3690 pixel resolution. The Nokia X200 Ultra 5G camera packages a quad 108MP primary lens plus 80MP ultra wide sensor plus 5MP lens plus 2MP depth sensor. The Nokia handset a massive 7000 mAh battery with a 65W fast charging supported. This device gets power from the Snapdragon 780G 5G chipset as the processor, 8GB by 12GB of RAM and 256GB by 512GB of ROM, expandable up to 256GB via microSD. This smartphone different color options like black, red and silver. For now, we have no information about the fixed release date of this device, but we have expect to see the Nokia X200 Ultra at the end of this year. Regarding the smartphone price, the Nokia X200 Ultra price start around $390, like us Indian price in 29,000 rupees expected. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
Thank you very much.